In this lesson, we'll take a tour of our sample house file and start exploring what we'll be working with throughout the course. We'll be using MicroStation for our tour, which is a CAD application commonly used in the architectural and engineering industries. Starting with MicroStation opened up with our house DGN file, let's navigate through our model just so we can get a better idea of what we'll be looking at for this project. You can follow along as we build this application. The exact same DGN of the house model I'm using here and throughout this project is provided in the download link summary page. So taking a look, this is a two-story house with several furnitures, objects, walls, ceilings, and highlighting a few of these gives you some general information about them, like material, geometry, and some location coordinates for the element. The objects of interest in our case are only the smart devices. This DGN provided has these labeled for us already, so let's take a look at the information that actually indicates that an element is a smart device. I'm going to start by hiding some elements to make this easier so we can see our smart devices. We'll use the level display in MicroStation here to hide a bunch of the unnecessary stuff that we're seeing. And just only turn on the utilities first and utilities second level. This gives us a pretty good view of all the objects and elements within the house. So taking a look at our first smart object, the smart TV, You'll notice that the smart devices here all contain an attribute called smart device. This is our smart device indicator and has two very important properties, the smart device ID. This has an ID of TV001 and the smart device type, which basically displays the type of the device, TV in this case. We'll see the same thing with the speakers here. You'll notice speaker 002 and the smart device type of speaker right here. And turning around, I believe these locks are smart locks as well. So you'll see smart device ID of lock 003 with type lock. And moving into the kitchen, we have an oven, same idea, oven 001, an oven, and this bed as well, and this washer as well, smart device ID washer 001 and washer. And I think we get the idea now of what our smart devices look like and how they look within this DGN. So far, these elements are labeled as smart devices, but we're not actually indicating any real-time or live data yet. For example, if the TV is on and what channel it's on. The real-time data lives in the cloud, and in MicroStation, we have no way to access them. The model itself is not yet aware that these devices are receiving information. This is just a BIM model we're looking at. But once brought to the iTwin platform, we can start forming these cloud connections. We can start turning this house model into a smart house by turning it into a digital twin. In the next lesson, we'll go over how we can get started in using the iTwin platform.